Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Italian meringue easy guide. Begin by boiling a sugar syrup to 235 degrees F while whisking room temperature egg whites to soft peaks. Slowly pour the hot syrup into the whites in a steady stream while the mixer runs to cook and stabilize the foam. Continue beating until glossy, stiff peaks form and the bowl feels neutral to the touch, about 5 minutes. In this video, I will show how to make Italian meringue easy guide. First, combine sugar and water and bring to 235 degrees F, monitoring with a candy thermometer. Meanwhile, start whisking egg whites with a pinch of salt to soft peaks. With the mixer running, stream the hot syrup into the whites in a thin, steady flow to cook proteins and create a glossy, stable meringue suitable for many desserts and frostings. In this video, I will show how to make Italian meringue easy guide. Quick recommendation: I love the simple path to wealth as a casual read that shifts financial perspective while you wait for syrup to reach temperature. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical cooking guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Italian meringue easy guide. If your meringue is grainy, you likely had crystallized syrup or undissolved sugar, so restart the syrup and strain it next time. For runniness, keep whipping until the meringue cools and hold stiff peaks. If it separates or weeps, stop and cool, then fold gently with room temperature butter when making Swiss or Italian buttercream for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.